Systems of linear equations, a shortcut, part 4. So it's called a shortcut because first I'm going to go the long way. The way that we've been doing right now is we've been solving by substitution. So if you notice, based on the system of equations above, what's the value of 4x minus 2y? We're going to do it the long way, then I'm going to show you the shortcut. So let's solve for x in the first step. Pick on the second equation. That's pretty easy. So that's going to be x is equal to 4y plus 12. And now that we have the value of x, we can substitute it into the first equation, and that's 3 times equals, actually not equals, plus 2y equals 8. So distribute the 3, we're going to have 12y plus 36 plus 2y equals 8. Twelve y plus 2y is 14y. Subtract 36 from both sides. This gives us 8 minus 36. And that's going to be negative 28. Divide both sides by 14 in front of the y, and we're going to get y is equal to negative 2. All right. Now we're going to substitute that negative 2 into the second equation. So it's going to be x minus 4 times negative 2 equals 12. X plus 8 equals 12. Subtract 8 from both sides. That leaves you with x is equal to 4. But what was the question? The question was, what is 4x plus 2y? So you can substitute it. You've got x equal to 4, y is equal to negative 2. So 4x plus 2y is equal to 4 times 4 plus 2 times negative 2. Not plus, minus. So that's the long way with my errors. And every now and then I like to show you, everybody makes mistakes. Now, in this case, the alternative is just to take the equations, three x plus x is 4x. 2y minus 4y is minus 2y. 8 plus 12 is 20. Make that look like an X. So the point is, this real estate takes a lot of time. If you notice, you can get kind of careless with the pluses and the minus signs. This, if you recognize it, saves you a huge amount of time on the test. So let me share the homework. So here's the homework. Once again, look for the shortcuts. Look at the equations. Can you add them? What are they asking for? What is the value of 3x minus y? If you added them, would that give you 3x minus y? What is the value of x minus y? If you added the equations, would that give you the value of x minus y? The last one is going to be tricky because if you notice, if you add them, or even if you subtracted one from the other, you wouldn't necessarily get 3x plus y. So I want you to think about that. And I'll stop sharing and stop recording.